Hello student, welcome to our school and this is your maths teacher Rajiv Maurya, and here we are going to discuss a topic which is the work and time, which is the remaining portion of direct and inverse proportion. In this topic we have to discuss what is the relation between time and work, whether they are directly proportional or inversely proportional. So, without wasting a time, let's begin to solve the question. And with the help of question, we can easily understand the concept of work and time. So, just suppose that in order to find out the relation between work and time, suppose a person which named as A can finish a piece of work in 5 days, and also there is a person which is B can finish a same piece of work in 10 days. So the question is that if both A and B can do the same job, then how many days will require to complete the job? So here, if A and B both can do the piece of work simultaneously, then what is the number of days is required to complete the same job? So, in order to find out what time will require to complete the job when A and B do together. So, in this circumstances, we can solve when A complete a work in 5 days, then what portion of work can be completed by A in 1 day, and it can be written as A can complete the task in 1 day is equal to 1 upon 5. Similarly, B can complete the task in 1 day is equal to 1 by 10. So, when A and B will do the same job together, then A and B can complete the same task is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10, which is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 10, which is 3 by 10. So, A and B can complete the job in 1 day is equal to 3 by 10. Therefore, in order to find out the number of days which is the reciprocal of the task finished in 1 day with A and B. So, therefore, the number of days will equal to the reciprocal of the task complete by A and B in 1 day, which is 3 by 10, and this one equal to 10 by 3 days. So when A and B do the same job simultaneously, then they can finish the job in 10 by 3 days, or it can be written as 3.33 days. So this is the required result, and I hope it is clear. So let's see again what we do. Here the question is A can finish the job in 5 days and B can finish the job in 10 days. So the question is what time will required when A and B can do the same job simultaneously, then what is the number of days is required to complete the job. So if A can complete the job in 5 days, then what fraction of task is completed by A in 1 day, which is equal to 1 by 5. And if B can complete the job in 10 days, then what fraction of task will completed by B in 1 day is equal to 1 by 10. So if A and B can do the job, then A and B can complete the same task in 1 day equal to 3 by 10. This 3 by 10 is the fraction of tasks completed by A and B simultaneously in 1 day. So the number of days required to complete the job whenever A and B do the job simultaneously, which will be the reciprocal of the fraction of tasks completed by A and B in 1 day, which is 10 by 3, and in decimal form it can be written as 3.33. So this is the idea or basic concept in order to solve the question related to work and time. I hope it is clear. Now let's see the next question. So open your book and the page number 217, and the question is that they can remove the weed from a garden in 15 days. Subhas can do the same work in 10 days. How long will they take to remove the weed when working together? So here the question is given that A can complete. The question 1 is they can complete the job complete the work is equal to 15 days, and Subhas can do same job is equal to 10 days. So the question is, what time is required when Dev and Subhas can do together? So this is the question. So I hope the question is clear. Now let's see the solution. This question can be solved by two methods. The one method, which is the traditional method, and second is the short trick approach. I will also explain here the short trick approach, which can be used in the MCQ type question whenever you sit in the examination. So first of all, let's see what does the question says, and the question says that they can complete the work in 15 days and Subhas can do same job in 10 days. So the question is clear, everyone, and we have to solve the solution. What time is required by Dev and Subhas if they work together? So here we write work done by Dev in 1 day, and this will equal to 1 upon 15. This 1 upon 15 is the work done by Dev in 1 day. Similarly, we can find out the work done by Subhas in 1 day. Similarly, work done by Subhash in one day, and this one equal to 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 represent work done by Subhas in one day. Now let's find out work done by Dev and Subhas in one day. Here now work done by Dev and Subhas in one day, and this will equal to the sum of these two fractions, which is 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10. So the LCM is 30. The LCM of 15 and 10 is 30, and here we get 15 to the 30, that is 2, and 10 to the 30, which is 3. So here we get 5 upon 30, or this one equal to 1 upon 6 on simplification. So the 1 upon 6 represent work done by Dev and Subhas in one day. Now here we have to find out how many days is required to complete the same job whenever Dev and Subhas will work together. So the number of days can be find out finding the reciprocal of this 1 upon 6. Therefore number of days required to complete the same job when Dev and Subhas can do together, and this will be the equal to 1 upon 6, which is the reciprocal of work done by Dev and Subhas in one day, and this will equal to 6 days. So 1 upon 6 is the required result. So I hope it is clear to everyone. In order to understand this question, once again we see the process of solution that we have earlier done here. And I hope that there is no any doubt whenever you will solve another question on the basis of the same process. So let's see what I have do here. First of all, let's see the question once again, and the question is here. Question says that they can complete the work in 15 days, whereas Subhas can complete the same piece of work in 10 days. So what happened, or what number of days is required to complete the same job whenever Dev and Subhas can do together? So here, in order to find out the number of days complete to task when Dev and Subhas can do together, so here first of all we found the number of the fraction completed by Dev and Subhas in one day separately. So work done by Dev in one day is equal to 1 upon 15, and the work done by Subhas in one day is equal to 1 upon 10. Therefore, the work done by Dev and Subhas in one day is equal to, here you can see, 1 upon 6. This 1 upon 6 represents the fraction of work completed by Dev and Subhas in one day. So here the number of days required to complete the same job when Dev and Subhas can do together, which is equal to the reciprocal of work done by Dev and Subhas in one day, and this one equal to 6 days. And I hope it is clear to everyone. So, dear student, you have to solve the same type of question from your book at page number 217 by yourself. So we shall meet in the next class with some new idea, with some new question. Till then, goodbye.